No.
If it was Nick, he would have jumped.
The next day.
Ka-chow. Good morning, Fudge.
Rusties.
Rusties. Yo, what are we doing in this Lightning McQueen M5?
Giving her lightning back.
Give me the lightning back. Yes, sir.
We're just doing some maintenance. Valve cover gaskets, spark plugs and stuff.
Nice, nice. How's it going, Fudge?
Good. How are you?
You have a good weekend?
Yeah.
Nice.
What'd you do this weekend?
You know, went to some car shows, hung out. What about you?
You drive your dad's Porsche?
I did, yeah. It's fire. I'll have it here tomorrow.
Fucking Bruce, man.
I'll have it here tomorrow, Fudge. Get some tints on that bad boy.
That's good. I'm proud of you.
Yes, sir.
I went to New Canaan, the Cars and Coffees, yesterday. Some guy recognized me on YouTube.
From YouTube?
Yeah.
Give him a shout out.
What's up, baby? Whoever you were, thank you for recognizing me.
Yes, sir.
Hopefully there'll be more.
Yo, Fudge, what do you think about this wrap?
Well,
Lightning, baby. Lightning.
it's definitely detailed.
Rusties.
Bumper ointment. You know who needs bumper ointment? It's Nick. You ever seen his bumper?
Yeah, let's go check it out.
No, it's not.
Morning, guys.
There's too much fluid in there for your
Morning, Martin.
What's up, baby?
What are you doing?
Fucking dealing with Fords, you know? What are you doing? Oh, no.
Filming you.
I gotta film you. You be filming me too much.
Let me go check on Nick. Hey, Nick!
Hey, Doyler.
What's up?
Hey, how's it going?
Nick, I'm happy you came out to the RS Auto Detailing
Did you like it?
Tower Cars car show. I'm glad
You didn't like it.
Yeah, it was fun.
You don't
Did
care.
Did you have fun?
You don't care about me.
Yo, you see Dylan over there? I mean Derek. I mean Damon. I mean vacuuming over there.
Johnny Damon.
You see him in there? You hear him.
Hey, Derek.
What are you doing today?
Building a motor for John.
What motor is this going in, Nick?
This is the built Golf R that actually...
Oh, the white one?
Yeah, so we have to actually... You're going to get a little bit of another video, right?
Okay.
Because the fans are going to have all one.
Right.
So what we got here is a built lower end, pistons. We got IE rods. We have we have head gasket, obviously. We have a built head there. You want to see the lower end?
Yeah. There's the head. Yes, sir.
So we got IE rods, ARP main studs, ARP rod bolts. We went all out on this one.
Cool. Thanks, Nick.
Meanwhile.
Hey, Joe.
Hey, how you doing?
Martin said that Subaru you put together ran great.
Yeah, I also heard it
Smoked an
Smoked an M?
bro.
Smoked an M3.
It must have been like an 18 or something with an exhaust, bro.
doesn't know how to drive.
I don't know, man. I mean, that thing does make 400 wheels, so.
400 wheels.
And it breaks loose first and second. It'll be fun.
Sweet.
Can't go wrong with that.
When's he picking up?
After I give it a
Friday.
final diagnosis and
Yeah.
final cleanup
Sweet.
this week.
He's gonna be pumped.
Oh yeah. No, that's Martin's WRX.
Oh yeah.
Honestly, that thing makes me miss my car. that thing it's
Thanks, Joe.
No problem.
All right, Fudge.
Dude,
Motor build going down.
I'm all over the place.
All over the
all
place.
over the place. Volkswagen.
Fudge putting together this Golf R motor.
John said.
I have
he
never.
Dude,
I
he
can't
goes,
believe it's
dude.
missing a washer in the from the package.
Emotional damage.
Joe,
What's up, Tyler?
you're putting pucks on a Ram?
I'm putting some hockey pucky kind of thingies, big old metal hockey puckies in the front end to make her sit level.
Nice.
I guess they don't
We
like
didn't
the,
exhaust on this, right? I think we did, Joe.
so I guess I did.
I think we did. It's back. Back for some more goodies.
Hey, you know, once you do one thing, you want to do another one, and then another one, and then another one.
Yeah.
Watch it be in for a supercharger soon.
Oh, I'm sure. Thanks, Joe.
No problem.
What's up, Fudge?
And then look at this. Look at this right here.
What up,
You see that?
Martin?
What's up, baby?
What are you guys
See that
doing?
right there?
Looking for the leak?
How's it?
No, I mean, we can find the leak because it's everywhere.
For the leak.
Show us, Fudge.
See, it's just everywhere.
Oh.
It's not hard to find the leak. It's just hard to find where it's leaking from.
You hear that, Martin?
Did I teach you something?
Huh?
Did you learn something today?
Yeah.
The goal in life is to learn something new every day, Tyler.
Thanks, Fudge.
Every time.
I've learned a lot here.
Did you?
Yeah.
Dude, why are you so close? You're gonna see all my white hairs that you're causing me. It's bad, bro. It's so bad.
Alright.
No more brown hair.
What are you doing on this C300?
Motor mount, oil leak, oil change. That's it. He's a long-time customer of ours. He's a nice guy.
Cool.
Likes his Mercedes.
Thanks,
You
Fudge.
know? Euro Max.
Thanks, Fudge.
It's the bone saw.
Bone saw's back, baby. Did you see him?
We assembled the full long block today, Tyler. So we got the oil pump on, the lower oil pan on, sprayed the block black, got the head on. Valve springs and retainers are in, ARP head studs are in. The front seals on. What do we need? We need the water pump on, we need the cams in, and we're going to start assembling the turbocharger tomorrow.
Are you okay, bro?
You want to see the turbocharger tomorrow? You like the
Show
roller
us right
R's?
now.
The roller R's.
Show us right now.
The turbocharger.
What is he doing, bro? Yo, go. What is he?
Hey, you want to blow me? You want?
Derek's going wild.
Scared of air?
He said, what'd you say,
He's
Fudge?
losing his mind. He vacuumed the carpet 4 times today.
Oh, yeah. All right, Martin just got his new bump up. Holy shit.
Bro, you don't even want to know. About to make some
You
ruckus.
don't know how loud that box is.
About to make
Until
some
they start
ruckus,
playing.
Dude, I didn't know it was like this. This is fire. Martin.
I'm not even gonna put my sound system on my car. I'm just gonna play
karaoke?
karaoke.
Yellow karaoke. Woohoo!
Yo, look at the bass thing.
That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't need no nigga on the dance floor. She had 2-3 tracks that she's working. She throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real bad bitch, on her own car. She don't need no
He's so ratchet.
Yeah,
He's fucking hot.
that's fire.
come back in. Is that my best friend in a
Come on, man.
Let me pull up to the scene. If you feel what jealousy, so deep in the key. She gon' bring the energy. Put a phone with the scene. Bitch, guess what? The rich ass boys wanna fuck on us. This ass sitting up, you can look tough. And I'm bad for some bands every time we make up. That my best friend. She a real bad bitch, got her own money. She don't
Nice.
She twerking, she throw it out and come back in. That's my best friend. She a real fat freak. She don't need no lift.
Dude, that thing's nice.
Now she twerking, she throw it out and come back in.
Dude, that thing is
That's
nice.
loud, bro.